the SmartPing Spark call center solution, seamlessly integrated with Zoho CRM, delivers a unified and efficient calling experience for agents within a single interface. The journey begins when the user logs into Zoho CRM using their credentials. Upon successful login, the Spark call center system is automatically authenticated through single sign-on, eliminating the need for a separate login. Instantly, the embedded dialer window appears within the CRM interface, displaying the campaign selection screen inside an iframe. This ensures that the agent is ready to begin operations without leaving the CRM environment. Once inside the dialer, the agent has complete control over session management. They can log out of the dialer independently, toggle autocalling on or off, pause or disable the dialer when required, and switch between different campaigns based on operational needs. Additionally, agents can proactively add customer numbers for follow-up, ensuring structured engagement and improved customer handling. Agent can punch the break and set himself available to take or dial calls. This flexibility allows agents to manage their workflow efficiently while staying aligned with campaign objectives. For outbound communication, agents have two options. They can either manually dial numbers using the integrated dial pad or use the click-to-call functionality available against each lead or contact within Zoho CRM. When a call is initiated using click-to-call, the system intelligently triggers a screen pop-up displaying the relevant lead or contact page based on predefined business logic. This ensures that the agent has immediate access to customer information before and during the interaction, enhancing personalization and effectiveness. During call initiation, the system follows a reliable connection flow. First, the platform connects the call to the agent. Once the agent answers, the system dials the customer's number. After the customer picks up, the system seamlessly bridges both legs, establishing a smooth and stable conversation. This controlled call flow ensures better connection success rates and improves the overall calling experience. In the case of inbound calls, the system automatically routes incoming calls to the appropriate agent based on routing logic such as availability or campaign mapping, etc. As soon as the call lands on the agent's dialer panel, Zoho CRM simultaneously triggers a screen pop-up with the corresponding customer record. This real-time synchronization ensures that agents are always equipped with the necessary context to handle customer queries efficiently. While on an active call, agents are equipped with a comprehensive set of call management controls. They can mute the call, place it on hold, transfer it to another agent or department, or initiate a conference call by adding additional participants. Furthermore, agents have the option to route the call to a feedback IVR, allowing customers to provide post-call feedback, which is crucial for quality monitoring and service improvement. Along with call management, agent is able to trigger pre-configured outbound WhatsApp and SMS from the iframe window during an active call. Once the call is disconnected, the agent is prompted to mark the call disposition and add relevant notes capturing the outcome of the interaction. Upon saving the disposition, the system automatically triggers a secure webhook to Zoho CRM, pushing all relevant call metadata, including call duration, timestamps, disposition details, and call recording links. This data is mapped and stored within the appropriate CRM fields, ensuring accurate record-keeping and enabling comprehensive reporting. Both agents and admin can later access detailed call records directly within the Zoho CRM interface. They can view complete interaction histories, analyze call data, and play call recordings without leaving the CRM environment. This unified visibility ensures transparency, supports performance monitoring, and enables data-driven decision-making. Overall, the SmartPing Spark CCAS integration with Zoho CRM provides a powerful, streamlined, an intelligent communication ecosystem that enhances agent productivity, simplifies workflows, and delivers a superior customer experience.